Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Physics by HJ Sir. Here we will discuss 12th Physics chapter number 1. Here we will discuss illustration number 1.10. In last video we derived equation of electric field on axis of dipole as well as electric field on equatorial plane of dipole. See this question very carefully. Illustration number 1.10. Two charges plus or minus 10 microcoulomb are placed 5 millimeter apart. Okay, so here we have electric dipole. The magnitude of charge of dipole is 10 microcoulomb, means 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. They are 5 millimeter apart. Okay, distance between them is 5 millimeter. Determine the electric field at number 1, a point on axis of dipole 15 centimeter away from its center, okay, on its side of positive charge. Okay, so here we want electric field on axis of dipole, and B, a point on equatorial plane of dipole, again same distance 15 centimeter away from the center of dipole. Okay, so here we want electric field on axis of dipole and on equatorial plane of dipole. So first of all, here we separate our quantities. So the magnitude of charge is given, so Q is equals to 10 microcoulomb. 10 microcoulomb means 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. Distance between these two charges is given 5 millimeter. Distance between two charges is denoted by 2a. Okay, so 2a is equals to 5 millimeter, means 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, here we want electric field on axis of dipole. So find electric field on axis of dipole. Okay, number 1. And find electric field on equatorial plane of dipole. Now distance given. Okay, distance is given for both point. Distance r is given. R is equals to 15 centimeter. So here we will convert this value into meter. So 15 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. First of all, we use equation of electric field on axis of dipole. So electric field on axis of dipole is given by, this is a standard equation. We will already, last time we discussed this equation. So electric field on axis of dipole is given by 2 kp upon r cube. Okay, so this is our equation of electric field on axis of dipole. Here 2 and k, these are constant. P means dipole moment, and instead of symbol p, here we use charge q into distance 2a upon r cube. Okay, so now we have all given quantity, and here we find electric field on axis of dipole. So E axis is equals to 2 as it is. K, Coulomb constant, 9 into 10 raised to 9. Charge, magnitude of charge is given 10 into 10 raised to minus 6. Distance 2a. Okay, distance between two charge is 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by r cube. Okay, so r cube means 15 into 10 raised to minus 2 whole raised to cube. Now try to solve this answer. So your answer is electric field on axis of dipole is 2.66 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per Coulomb. So electric field on the axis of dipole is given by 2.66 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per Coulomb. Now remember the direction of charge. Here direction of electric field. Here we find electric field on axis of dipole away from center of dipole towards the positive charge. Okay, so here the direction of electric field is from minus q charge to plus q charge. Okay, so this is the direction of electric field from minus q charge to plus q charge, means direction of axial electric field is vector E axis is in the direction of dipole moment vector B. Okay, because direction of axial electric field is from minus q to plus q charge, and this is nothing but this is direction of electric dipole moment. So vector E axis is in the direction of vector P. So this is our first point. Now here we are going to explain second point, B point. Find electric field on equatorial plane of dipole. So E equatorial is equals to, already we derive this equation. In that equation we use minus sign, but here we are interested in magnitude only. So E equatorial is equals to Kp upon R cube. Again, instead of P we use Q into 2A. So K into Q into 2A divided by R cube. We have same distance on equatorial plane of dipole also. Now substitute all given quantity. E equatorial is equals to K 9 into 10 to the power 9, magnitude of charge 10 into 10 raised to minus 6, distance 5 into 10 raised to minus 3, okay, upon, this is distance between two charge in dipole, divided by R cube. R cube means 15 into 10 raised to minus 2 whole cube. So our answer is E equatorial is equals to, if we solve this example, so here we found that our answer is 1.33 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per Coulomb. Now remember the direction of equatorial electric field. The direction of equatorial electric field is opposite to axial electric field, means it is prevailing from plus q charge to minus q charge. Okay, means vector E equatorial is in the opposite direction of vector P. Okay, so this is your final answer. This is magnitude of electric field on axis of dipole, and this is magnitude of electric field on equatorial plane of dipole. Remember that direction also. Okay, this is the shortest trick to find solution of this example. Okay, so remember these two equations, substitute value and find your answer. Thanks.